How do you track a client's journey in your organization over the years? Case Management Hub's Program History feature records entrance and exit dates, helping staff understand past services and support at a glance. Let's get started by adding a new client. We're going to add them to a program. Now let's take a look at their program section of their profile. Here you can see that the system has recognized the program we've added them to and added the date they were added. Now, if I happen to be adding them a day after they actually came to the program, I can easily edit that start date. When they're ready to exit or leave the program, just click Exit Program. You can add any notes if you like. You can either choose to remove them from this program only, which keeps their profile active, or you can discharge the client at the same time. This means that the client's profile will become inactive. They will also be removed from all active programs. For now, let's just remove them from the program. Once I do that, I'm going to see a program history entry. I can view that. I can also make any edits, or I can export to PDF. Now, what if I did this by accident? I could just undo the exit. Now let's look at another client with more history, and this time we're going to discharge them. This client happens to be in 2 programs at once. Anytime you'd like to add them to another active program, just click the plus. Let's say this person is completely leaving the organization. I'll click to discharge them as well as remove them from the program. Again, this removes them from all programs and makes their profile inactive. Notice that the reason for discharge is going to be the same list that's at the top of the client profile. Now you'll see that both programs now have an exit date. And again, if I need to edit, I can just click View and click the Edit pencil. You'll notice that they've also been discharged. Now let's say this client comes back later. Instead of creating a duplicate profile, I can follow this path. Let me go to Clients. Then when someone's coming back to the organization, I can search. I'll see that they already have a profile in the system and it's inactive. So in this case, I'll readmit them or make them active again. I can see their past program history and view any notes. Let's say they're joining a new program this time. I'll simply add that as an active program. Then later, when they're finished with the program, I'll just click Exit Program. Now, one last thing. You'll notice on the client profile, you can add your own custom fields. So in several of the sections, you'll see this Add New Field button. The Program section has one as well. This isn't specifically related to the program history, but it will allow you to put other fields in this section if you choose. So that's how you can easily track your client's journey in our case management tool.